Here is how to troubleshoot sound issues during Facebook Messenger video calls. So first, you need to open your Facebook Messenger application on your device. Then after, click on the three lines menu. Then go to the settings option. Scroll down and click on notifications and sound, which is between username and others. Then select turn on notifications. Toggle this option of allow notifications and come back to Messenger. You can also go through other different options such as communities, channels, notification preference, and all, then set it according to your preference. If your notification and sound is turned off, Messenger won't be able to pick up your voice during calls. And also ensure that your microphone is enabled. If it's off, Messenger won't be able to pick up your voice during calls, so you should enable camera access for video calls to work properly. For that, you need to first open your settings on your device, go to privacy and security if you're using iPhone or iPad, scroll down, go to camera, and make sure that the toggle beside the messenger is turned on. Likewise, go to microphone and also ensure that the toggle is turned on. But if you're using Android or any other device, you can go to settings, then go to apps and select messenger, go to permissions, then enable the microphone, camera, and notification access to messenger. Likewise, you also need to verify your audio output. So go back to your settings, select Bluetooth, and check if your phone is connected to any external speakers or headphones. If so, the audio might be routing to that specific device instead of your phone's speakers. So you can try turning off Bluetooth completely and ensure that the audio plays through the phone. Finally, if the issue persists, you can open your App Store or the Google Play Store, then search for Messenger application. Click on it, and if you see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color, go ahead and click on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Finally, if the issue still persists, you need to go ahead and uninstall the Messenger application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store according to your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.